here is the setup and our VisionFive with an LED over here and a push button. So let me here. Now it's on. If I again press it, it will be turned off. Here it goes. So as you can see, the ground is connected to the ground and it's coming over here to the ground and yellow, so it can be of any color, going to the pin what was that, 37 I guess, yes, or 38, that's pin number 38. So if we look at it around here, over there is a 39 pin number, there is 39 and the last red one is 40, and same over here, that's the, if that's the 9, then over here it will be 10. So red goes to the, or it's orange goes to the LEDs positive side. Let me show you here. This the small leg is negative, oh, it's totally out of focus. Anyway, here this small leg is negative and the large one is positive, so it goes like this. And again, let me do it here. It was previously off. Here. It's working on VisionFive. So that's it for this tutorial.